Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. There's a lot more than meets the eye with this 1969 Mach 1. Don't get me wrong, it's obviously gorgeous. It has a shaker hood, spoilers, louvers, the billet Magnum wheels, but it's also got a 408 cubic inch, almost 500 horsepower fuel-injected motor, RideTech custom suspension. It's got a Tremec 5-speed, air conditioning, custom gauges, TMI sport seats, and it's got 185 miles on a meticulous rotisserie restoration. This thing is awesome. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs. That's where you can take your time and study over 100 pictures. That's also where you'll find the prices on over 200 collector cars that we offer for sale. Go to volocars.com. If you enjoy these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But right now, join me and let's go for a spin. We get a lot of Camaros through here. I love the Camaros. They're gorgeous, they're cool, they're great. We don't get the Mach 1s. I don't know why that is. I don't see them. We'll probably have 20 69 Camaros to one 69 Mach 1. And I think this is the first full-out pro touring one I've had here in a long time. So yeah, pretty special car. I'm pretty excited about it. It was painted by a guy that's really well known in this area. Everything I've ever seen with his name on it is pristine. So he did a rotisserie, not body off frame. These technically don't have a frame, but a rotisserie restoration means it was flipped upside down. So it was taken down to a bare shell. The underside of the car is painted this nice. It's all smooth, red gloss metal, really nice looking. It has frame rails welded in front to back. Looks like the factory put them there. I almost didn't notice them at first, but that keeps the car from twisting. It is a RideTech suspension, all brand new, and it's all upgraded RideTech. It's coil-over adjustable gas shocks. It has their strong arm tubular control arms. It has their muscle bar, sway bar on the front. All the steering linkages, and I think they're called torsion bars. They go up front there. Those are all custom, adjustable, heavy duty. So all the front suspension is new and upgraded to handle great. Very much upgraded RideTech 4-link suspension in the back. All tubular upper and lower control arms. There's a complete tubular support section in the middle that the coil-over adjustable gas shocks mount to. So that's all upgraded. The car's lowered. You look up at the motor, it's still immaculate. I mean, there's only 185 miles on the car. It's spotless. It looked like it had custom billet motor mounts. High torque, very mini starter. I was surprised the starter looked really small. Has a heavy-duty scatter shield, a Tremec 5-speed transmission, new hydraulic clutch. It's a new drive shaft. I think it's called Quartermaster. There's a sticker right on it. So new drive shaft and U-joints going back to a Ford 9-inch rear end. That's all new inside from Speedway. And I think it's like a 350 posi gear ratio that's in there. And of course, everything's painted and looks nice and detailed, all the nuts and bolts, everything under there. Willwood disc brakes all the way around, drilled and slotted rotors, red calipers. I'm pretty sure there's 6 piston in front. They're really big calipers in front. All new Willwood e-brake assembly, so that's all installed. And of course, the brake lines, braided stainless steel brake hoses. Really nice custom-made, handmade exhaust. Part of it's 3-inch where they could, and then some of it's 2.5-inch. All stainless steel, all welded. It has an X pipe. It has polished MagnaFlow mufflers. and stick around till the end. You'll hear this start later. And it also has polished stainless steel resonators tucked up behind here. Has a new fuel system. The company is called Tanks. So it's a new fuel tank, and it has the electric fuel pump in the tank, and all the upgraded braided fuel lines, premium fittings, filter, all of that is for the fuel injection system. So I think that wraps up the bottom of the car. Really impressive under there. The body was kept completely original, so there's no cutting or chopping or modifying the body. I mean, why mess with such a good thing? And I'm telling you, this guy's body and paint work is second to none. I've seen cars he did 15 years ago, and they still look this good. So whoever buys this car, you can rest assured it will look this good if you take care of it for a long time to come. So the body is laser beam straight. I mean, not even, if you're fussy, you're not going to come here and argue with me. You're going to agree with me. It is laser straight, no ripples, no dents, no damage, no bubbles. All the gaps are precise. They're all square and flush all over the place. Has the painted on blackout hood treatment. Shaker hood, you got to have that. That's a cool feature. You got the Mach 1 decals down the side, front and rear spoilers, window louvers. So this thing's really decked out. Up front here, new bumper. The grille looks beautiful. The emblem, the trim, all that looks like it's been replaced. The windshield's new. Stainless trim is all new and shiny. Even the wiper arms are shiny. Now these are 17-inch billet, modern version of the Magnum 500. It's Scott Drake legendary wheels, and it has Firestone Indy 500 performance tires. And the moldings are new. This molding right here doesn't look new, but doesn't look bad. New emblem. LED lights too, the headlights, tail lights. I think he said the reverse lights. I think all the exterior lights are LED. They light up real nice and bright. Inside the trunk, all beautiful clean metal, painted red, real glossy red under the trunk lid in the jam. New weather strip. You can see the top of the new gas tank. The door going into the interior looks new, and the hinges and brackets, all that looks redone. So real nice trunk. I'd probably finish it off with some sort of, box it in or carpet, or just buy the rubber mat and put it in there. So the interior is done from floor to ceiling. New carpet with the red sewn-in rubber mats. These are TMI sport seats, so it looks like the Mach 1 deluxe seats, but it has the contoured bolsters. They've added retractable shoulder belts. And it has the optional fold-down back seat, and it's all reupholstered. Now the motor, it's a 351 Windsor. It's stroked to a 408. I have the dyno sheet, 495 horsepower. The torque was like 525. I don't remember the exact number, but it's on our website. Aluminum heads, aluminum intake. It is a fuel injection system. The billet brackets on the front, and all the custom billet pulleys with a serpentine belt, the mini polished AC compressor, a one-wire polished alternator, modern power steering. It's got coated headers. Deluxe door panels are new. The lights in the doors work. Sill plates are new. Jambs are slick. Latches look real nice. The dash pad is new. It's not a glue-on plastic cap. The whole dash pad and all the wood grain, all the bezels and trim look new. The whole center console is new. It's a reproduction of the original, but it's new. It has Dakota Digital gauges, the real nice V8 VHX, I think they are. They light up a nice bright white. They're analog with needles, but it's new with digital readouts. It has a tachometer. It has the matching clock over on the other side. It has a digital screen for the fuel injection. They put a tilt column in here. Heater control panel's nice. Has a retro stereo in the factory location. There's an auxiliary plug in the ashtray. Has has round speakers in the kick panels. Polished Champion aluminum intake with dual electric fans. Power brakes. Nice valve covers, and has TriStar performance inscribed right into them. That's the company that built the motor. You have a polished overflow bottle. We've got an aluminum water pump, Optima battery all bolted down properly. Under the hood is slick. The engine bay is super clean metal. All the seams are real nice and crisp, painted like a satin black, semi-gloss black. Everything else is bright red. I'm telling you, the guy who did the car, again, the paintwork especially, second to none. It's a beautiful motor compartment. New horns. Told you it's got retractable seat belts. The vents, the two round vents, I don't know if one of the vents fell out of it, so them two balls need to be replaced, or at least one of them. It looks like both of them. Don't know why. So there you have it. Door shuts nice. Clicks shut. This is one incredible Mach 1. Like I said, there's a lot more than meets the eye. Surprised I remembered all that I did. I might have forgotten something, so you can go to the website for a couple reasons. You can read all the specs, but I'm just giving you my impression of this car. If you have specific questions or concerns, go to the website and you can contact the salesman. They'd be more than happy to help you out the best they can. They can get this car delivered to your driveway, and they can also get affordable monthly payments for you. It's at volocars.com. If you enjoy watching our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on that bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.